Now let's look into the conditional statements in Python. So the conditional statements are if else, and elif statements in Python. So let's look into them one by one. So if statement just executes a block of code if the condition is true. It is one of the simplest form of conditional statements in which, as you can see the syntax, we have if the condition and with the colon, we'll write our code. Okay. Then we have if else statement where you'll give a if condition, you'll write a code, and then we'll have an else condition, right? Now the last one is elif. So this is the way in which we can have multiple if statements and one else. Okay, so we can have if, then elif. You can have multiple elifs. Then at the end you have to mention the else, right? So this is all about the conditional statements in Python. Now let's dive into each one of them in our demo. So now let me take an example of list. I have named this shoes because it has shoe brands. I'll take two shoe brands and they are Nike, Adidas, and Puma. Let's see. So it is a list which has three items and three strings, right? So now let's see what if condition I can use. Okay, so I want to find out if Nike is in this list or not. Okay, so if Nike in shoes, right? Now I want to print found. Okay, that shoe has been found. Okay, this is so simple, right? If the string which I want to find in and this is the list, right? So let's execute it and see it is returning found, right? But so this is simple if statement, right? But now if I write something which is not there, right? Like let me add, Reebok. Let me try to find Reebok. So if Reebok in shoes, it is not there. Let's see what happens, okay? Because we are not written it. So I run it and I don't see anything in the output, isn't it? So it means I have not captured it, isn't it? For I'm only trying to find if Reebok is there, then I will print found. Then if I want to capture this scenario, I have to write an else, isn't it? Okay, so else I'll say not. Okay, so now it will try to search Reebok in this the list. Now, if it is found, it will print found, else it won't found. Let's run this and see not found because it's not there. Now, let me add Reebok here and let's see what happens now. See, it is found because I added Reebok in this list, isn't it? Now, if you want to, okay, so this was if and if else. Now, if I want to add more conditions, okay, because as you can see, I have only, I have conditions only on Reebok, right? Reebok is my only condition. I want to add a condition for Adidas, suppose. So what I'll do, I'll use an elif, right? I'll write Adidas in shoes. If it is so, print. I'll write something specific, okay? Adidas farm, okay? Now, this is my elif. So first it will search for, if I want to, okay, first it will start from Nike, then Adidas, and then Reebok. Okay. So in order to execute this elif statement, I am going to, write, okay, Reebok will also, okay. Let's run this demo. So found, it is writing found. Okay. Let me write Reebok here so that we know which part it is executing. So currently it has it tried to find Reebok and it found it, and that's why it output. Okay, so Reebok found first. Now let us remove Reebok from this. Okay, let's name it ABC. Okay, let's write campus, another brand. So it will start from Reebok. It won't find it, and then we go to Elif, and then it try to find Adidas. Let's see. We ran it, and we see Adidas found because Reebok is not in this list, right? So it goes to the next statement, Adidas. So it tries to find Adidas in shoes. Yes, it found it and it returns this, right? So this is very basic, this is very basic example that I want, with the help of which I wanted to show conditional if else elif statements. So I hope it has been helpful and you understand the basic if else and elif statements now. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.